Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is Thursday, March the 16th, and some interesting dynamics going on right now in the market. You can looking at the SPY here, and it's below all of its key moving averages, and kind of a bearish look there in SPYs. But if you take a look at the Qs, you can definitely say we kind of have a bifurcated market here. They're above all their key moving averages. This has to do with the rates coming down. It's good for technology. So, with this in mind, I'm going to be focusing on some tech stocks today. Nvidia I actually bought yesterday, but that's one of the ones I'm looking at. I'm really liking the way this is setting up. You had the big gap after earnings. It's been in a range here, and it looks like it may attempt today to take out this range to the upside. Google, I love the relative strength in Google yesterday. Big green bar. Um, Keeping a level 97 area, I got an alert there at 96.82, but if it takes out that 97 area, it could have a quick move to the 150 $100.50 area. So Apple, it's very strong, above all its key moving averages, kind of wedging here. If it takes out this 3-day high, you might want to keep an eye on that. Be careful out there. The market is under pressure with the banks, so you got to keep one eye on the market at all times, but maybe worth a small size nibble on some of these swing trades. One other is Amazon, and it looking like it's trying to break out of maybe a 3-week high here. So I'm going to set an alert right there in Amazon. And once again, above all of its key moving average, except the 200-day moving average, but that's okay. It's above the 50. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep it tight.